I'm just boiling my lunch. Pour the old water away. I've still got my water main turned off, so and stick that back on the boil. So what I like to do is put a little bit of, not too much, a little bit of ginger in there, and do the second boil of the vegetables and fish in that water. I've started having a go at the pipe with a pipe cutter. I need to do both ends obviously. So I'm probably going to do the other side from upstairs, so it should be a piece of cake. Right, so the left side of the pipe is cut. That wasn't too difficult. Take that off. So I just need to do the that side, and I'm going to do that from upstairs. Right, so now I'm doing the upstairs, the right side of the copper pipe. Right, nothing to it. I've got the cut the pipe out now, so I just need to replace it with a length that's as long as this. And I've replaced the piece of copper pipe with fresh piece, put the compression fittings at each end. Yeah, so I've got this plumbing spanner, but I need another one. That's the, if I try and do that up at the moment, it just rotates the whole assembly, so I need another one to hold it that side, that side there. And the same with the one on the left, which I'll do from downstairs. Just being cute, I'm going to ask for my spanner. Do you want a biscuit? I bought them because I was worried I'd get a hypo and fall over. No, okay.